Yo, guysini, what an intense episode. Nganbingelela and welcome back to another video where I look at some of your interesting takes after watching Uthando Nesithembu. Yo guys, bekuhectic. Ngicela sikhulume sibheke ukuthi abantu bebethini after watching this intense episode. Hi Kesana, the first comment is from Prudence. uthi-ke masowushonelwe awusoze wathandwa omunye umfazi ongakuzali. Sekuthiwa akahambe kubo manje ngoba iqiniso akalifuni. Kungenzeka ukuthi unenkinga yomqondo kodwa izinto asidlule kuzo ziningi emncane. Ukulahlekelwa uma wakhe, ilunga lomndeni, nokubandlululwa ke abanye emndenini wakhe. Kuningi, mhlambe usephazamisekile naye ekhanda. Konke lokho abakunaki, bambona njengengane ededemayo indala ngoba vele abamthandi, bahlulwa ngisho ukuzenzisa. Hayi, ukhulumile uPrudence. Unokhanya-ke yena uthi kushuthi ufuna wona-ke u-25 kg bakithi usine wabantu. uRosette yena uthi ngifuna ukufunda isingisi sakaMacele. Finally, hayi uyastrabha ugirl. And then uZee uthi mangwabe for president. And then uThobele uthi usine udawe utshwala be-lockdown true. Kanti-ke uThalitha uthi I'm so tired of defending Usne. She is not well upstairs. I also don't like isides kaMacele. Guys, I also agree. Yo sana ngathi ngempela bekuphuthunywa ukuthi bejahelani ngempela ngoba nje nombanje uyayibona nje leya site ukuthi ayikho right. Yes, the only good thing about it is the fact that isethuze ngomgaqo, but I agree with Umseleki. Yonke into ebeyisho nje ukuthi the drunk drivers ngempela ngoba ehlala ekhoneni ingavele nje ingene imoto phezulu komuzi wakhe, so nje it's a no. Kanti-ke ugugena uthi lo sneba kwethu hayibo unenkinga ugirl akayolashwa. uNasiphe-ke yena uthi uMato is the one to blame. Yo guys, khona she is to blame 50% of the time, but nje mina the other 50% I do have to say ukuthi uMthombeni uyena mbangela yeyinkinga zaSne, because even though he was a young man when he did have ingane ngaphandle, but this is why ngempela you really have to plan your family. You can't go around impregnating women that you are not serious about, because had uMthombeni married uMabasne, she would not be in this situation. She would just be like the other kids izalele khona kaMseleki. But unfortunately impilo iyenzekile ngale ndlela yenzeke ngayo. Akukho sesingakusho manje. Yes, she went through childhood trauma yakhe. I think as a parent uMthombeni has really given up on ingane yakhe, and then usejilile nje ukuthi he just has to face whatever consequences abhekana now with Usne nempilo yakhe and i-trajectory yempilo yakhe nje Usne as a whole. But kesana, the only thing mina ngibona ukuthi nje Umseleki kumele ayitshele namanje ukuthi he needs to try one more time, which is to try and bring up the idea counseling for Usne. And also the fact that, guys, I don't see Sne going back to school. I don't think she would be interested in going to school, but I do see her maybe starting a business. Guys, angazi bado wathi Usne uhlezi phezu kwemali uhlezi nomulele phezu kwemali. I do agree with that person, whoever that was. I think if Usne had to start maybe a YouTube channel, yo guys, really, she would be earning serious money, because I do believe people would tune in just to hear uthi Usne, even though other people would say mhlambe she only has negative things to say, but I do think people would listen, ngoba ngathi ngempela unazo igaqa. So I think kuya nokuthi who is around Usne, ubani lo omsekayo, ubani lo omningi advice. Whoever that person is needs to tell her ukuthi at least ivula-ke i-YouTube channel if business is not your thing, if ukuya esikoleni is not your thing, just so azokwazi ukena imali yakhe ethi yena, ukuze angadependeli kwabanye abantu. But ke asicabanga ukufana, mhlambe bayabona nabo ukuthi ngisho noma bengamseka ngalokho uzohamba lapha ayokhuluma ngabo. So kesana asazi, we can only pray and hope ukuthi she finds healing and i-counseling le ayidingayo. Uthandazile yena uthi kuke kuthiwe ungamkhohlwa umuntu oke wakusiza empilweni ngesikhathi udinga usizo. Yey uSneh kubuhlungu ngoba nawe uzeli. Ukakashe-ke yena uthi, what do you all mean? She's the victim here. She was insulted from the beginning of the conversation. They said she's suffering from amnesia. How are they expecting to resolve things? The intention was never to resolve things peacefully and find a solution. The intention was to undermine, hurt, and put uSneh down. I wouldn't trust or respect anyone who reminds anyone of 5 kg mealie meal they bought when one was hungry, because anyone who struggles knows that consistent support is what actually shines through. Yo kakashe ngiyakuzwa mina guys. Nje nami personally I've been in a situation where I had to live with a step parent, so I can understand Sneh's situation, and also I can understand Mangwabe's situation. So kunzima, this is complicated kakhulu. Usofike yena uthi, they are trying too much. Try to help a child that you don't birth. You will always be wrong in her eyes. Leave uSneh and concentrate on your own kids. Both of you don't owe each other anything. Ubelzina uthi, Sneh became too comfortable that her father has no choice but to support her, and while she was still sleeping on that dream, other kids were trying to build their lives, and now they seem to have directions of where they want to go. So now Ogel is realizing that, and she has started seeing herself as a failure, and instead of fixing that, she has adopted jealousy instead. uLorraine yena uthi, Sneh is ungrateful. I don't understand people who defend her. Umangwabe used her money to buy her that grocery, even if it was just 1 kg. She still ate wasuta. She is so ungrateful. And then uTebogo uthi, I understand umangwabe kubuhlungu ukwenzela umuntu onganakho ukubonga, ojika kusasa akwenze umuntu omubi. UNonoke yena uthi, uMthombeni nje ingane zakhe akaze ayifundise inhlonipho, yikho zizokwenza kanjena kuyena. Lento i-wrong. uSneh usazoqhubeka azali kubo vele. And then uThobi uthi, Sneh has deep issues bantu. She needs help nje. uMthombeni needs to look into this. Maybe seeing a psychologist could help, but from the way her mom passed on and the grape by her uncle, she needs to heal. Kodwa, it's going to be a long journey and she'll need all the support from her family at large. Unkosi uthi, I don't hate uSneh, but I feel like since uSneh doesn't have a mother, why uMthombeni was not buying food for her, instead his wives were buying the food. uSneh akasiwona umthwalo wabafazi bakhe. He's the one who neglected ingane yakhe. So he thought labafazi will do better than him. Hayibo umseleku, you're the cause of this whole thing. And then uSandisiwe uthi, she is so entitled and a spoiled brat. Futhi ucinga the world owes her, and shame usazophila kabuhlungu because no one owes her anything. uSindi yena uthi, I'm noticing how izingane zalubaba zenyuka zidilike enhloko yakhe. I just feel ukuthi uMthombeni allows his kids to disrespect him, and it will not end with uSneh and uMpumelelo. Watch the space. The wives are the only people within this family who will stand up to the kids. uMthombeni is really missing something within his family, and unfortunately nothing will be resolved. uNolitha uthi, I am on Sneh's side. What this family is doing is wrong. She needs family's love, support, acceptance, and protection. Kukubo laphaya, and she needs help, not judgment, and not being ridiculed. Umbadi akanalo uthando for ingane ezingezona ezakhe. She does the same thing kuMpumelelo. You can attack me. I know it's a fashion to make fun of uSneh. uMusa failed uSneh for umuntu onemali. He should have gotten help for her esemncane. Yo, guys, I agree. uNontando yena uthi, in fact, ngiyalala ngijuze amathe ngitsheke kanje. Yo, kodwa uMpilo, yo guys, uMpilo, yazi uyayisiza. Like, I love that she just doesn't say much nje. She listens, she observes ngoba uyazi usebonile ukuthi how abantu abakhuluma kakhulu ba-treat-a kanjani, and abantu mase be-responda kwizinto oyishoyo akubi mnandi. So I'm so glad that she is well trained by uMakhumalo, in my opinion, ukuthi nje abe ingane nje ebheka phansi, esebenza kanzima, ingalokhu inaka izinto eziseceleni. Ugugu lethu yena uthi they are angry because uSneh went to participate kwamalobolo number 5 ayikho enye. I guess vele abantu they're gonna have their own theories, but I doubt. I feel like that podcast nje indlela ekhuluma ngayo uSneh, if you have not watched it, angisakhumbula ukuthi iphi podcast, but I watched the whole conversation and uSneh did not leave any stone unturned. She went in komabakhe. So I understand the response yabo, understand the anger. So nje it was warranted nje ukuthi bemconfront. Finally, I'm just a bit disappointed by uMakhumalo. Mhlambe naye ubonile ukuthi asikho isidingo. uMangwabe has it all handled. Yena nje she just needs to stand there, just nje alokhe ibuka nje lengali lokhe ipheqeze. But I understand nje. Hayi onqentileke uAndile esethi uyoze aqhume amehlo omthombeni ile mina ahlele ivika. SekuSneh manje useyekile yena uma hayibo uba uthosekile ngoba phela usakhokha umoya uzophinda futhi abuyele. uNonhlanhla yena uthi uMusa said uSneh umuntu nje wasegcekeni. So what do you expect from umuntu obizwa kanjalo? uSneh akekho right ekhanda finish. uMia uthi kodwa uMseleku is a hypocrite, especially when it comes to solving indaba kaSneh. All the time he throws her under the bus. That's not how you address a matter. Guys, I do feel like a part of me feels like uMseleku last attempt yakhe le at trying to protect uMangwabe noMakhumalo, because mhlambe he feels like he hasn't protected them from uSneh nama opinions akhe over the years. So now nje bekuyi last resort ngoba mhlambe sebona ukuthi the younger wives are not satisfied ngomseleku. So mhlambe it was an easy target ukuthi kube indaba kaSneh where he feels like he needs to protect them or try to solve. But I feel like nje it's a deeper issue ngempela. It's not just uSneh, it's uMacele, it's uMayeni, it's the whole thing nje yesithembu. But ke kwasibani ke umuntu nomuzi wakhe.